My favorite thing about being an anthropology major here at UNI is probably that I'm learning something new all the time. If I'm gonna do this for the rest of my life, I need to be passionate. And if I'm always learning, if I'm always being creative and discovering new things, it's gonna keep my passion alive. The anthropology professors at UNI are really passionate about their pursuits, and it really rubs off on the students that they teach. And it's really evident that they care about their craft and their teaching, and they have definitely inspired me to want to learn and to grow in this profession.
Outside of the classroom, I have been involved with the Anthropology Club. We are also doing the archaeological fieldwork with Dr. Gaff, where we are actually digging on-site on campus, and that has been a wonderful opportunity for hands-on activities of actually getting down, getting dirty, and discovering whether or not anthropology is a good fit. The part that I like about anthropology is that it encapsulates so many different areas of the human condition, where you're talking about language or culture or comparing the different cultures. The biggest thing for me that's drawn me to anthropology is the always trying to find out the why. Well, why do people act this way? Why does this group do this, but this group does this?
I would tell someone who's considering anthropology at UNI to take an introductory course, meet one of the professors, go to an Anthro Club meeting, meet some of the students. We love our major. Our professors are great. You're gonna end up loving the major too.